Hello, my friends. I'm excited to share these items with you. Some of these you might have. So today is kind of like a re-release day, or sometimes I call it a catch-up mustard day because you're catching up on the items that blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so check your stash before you purchase, but our website should tell you if you've already purchased it and ask you if you want to buy it again. Also, but don't rely on that because if you got in a kit, we might not guarantee that. Okay. Also, the first three items I'm going to share with you are very limited edition embellishments. Once they're gone forever. So grab them quick. Number one is our fun pineapple. And I'm going to open this one because I want you to see how awesome. If you're into shakers, I want you to get this. If you're into our card shaker fronts, it is awesome. It has all these awesome beads. It has the little pineapple clay in there. So much fun. We are selling this as a 2-pack. Again, limited time. Once they're gone, they're gone. So even if you think you want it, get it because it'll be gone, right? Number one. Oh, those clay pieces are so cute. Number two, limited edition, our Bumpy pearls. So this is coming in a 2-pack. You are getting a ton. I'm not going to count them because you know, they might be off, but you're going to get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You're getting at least 16 minimum, but probably more than that, but I just don't want to say that. But Bumpy pearls, which are so fun in Pixie color, and a 2-pack of the Pixie ribbon, checkered ribbon. This one's really gorgeous. So those are very, very limited edition. Another limited edition that we have in the dies are the die words, remember when. These came in a card kit a while back. We had some extras, so we're putting them on the website. Once they're gone forever. Now, oh, here's another limited. The Rainbow Bright collection. If you bought the kit, you've been waiting for this because you want more of this. This is our rainbow pad. So it comes with strawberry, tangerine, banana, kiwi, green apple, pool, and grape. So we got our gorgeous rainbows. Now, we also have on the website, finally, from the class that we did a long time ago, the Cowboy boot fold it, which is so fun. And from a kit that we did a while back, so you might have this if you're in our card kit. If you're not, you are missing out because you would have gotten this already. Did you guys know our card kit value is over $100, but it's only $54.99. It's half price. It's amazing. I'm like giving it to you at cost just because I like you. Seriously. Anyway, here we go. Look at this. It is so fun. It has Happy Summer Days inside. It is the A1 rounded corners. This is like one of those must-haves. So my friends, go check out the website. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting your 15 to 20% discount off of every single item, every single day, every single order. Go check it out. Stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.